Okay, this is part 2. And the songs folder just finished extracting. So we're gonna zoom in. Dumb phone. Alright, wrong folder. Extracted. Okay, so you'll see that the 9 folders are here. Now, what's just the next? Alright. As I said, if you're a beginner in doing this, the only files that you really want to play with are the courses, the cache, and the songs. Because messing with the theme is a very fragile thing to do, and everything else is just everything else. But as far as generating your cache and getting your songs and courses ready, I'll just go through this step by step. For your songs, very important, the song file should be .ogg file extension, 48K frequency, and basically formatted down to the lowest possible file sizes that you find comfortable, so you could cut down some loading time. The images, they're very, very picky on console. Like, if one image doesn't work, the whole game will not boot for you. So all banners have to be .png extension, and image size has to be 256 by 80. Backgrounds also have to be .png extension and have to be an image size 320 by 240. For courses are courses. If you know how to code them and play with them, good for you. If not, whatever. Nothing really to say. Now, to generate your cache, if you can get a hold of the cache generator from boxrockers.net, by all means use that. But just to keep things simple, use step menu 3.95 and make sure it's empty of all songs and courses, and put in all the songs and the courses you want to have, and then just load up the game. It'll generate all the cache that you'll need. Now, as far as DWIs, I'm just going to assume they have not worked because it's not been tested yet to see if they have worked. So if you need to convert a DWI to .sm, just simply go into edit mode, open that sim file, and save it, and it'll generate a .sm file for you. Anyway, so once you have finished modifying all your songs and you're back to this screen, what you want to do next is you want to cut the songs folder out of this directory. Go up one directory by pressing back and just put the songs folder there temporarily. Next, you want to go into extracted, make sure all your files are there, just double check everything. Then you want to go into your bin folder and run the packer, because now this is where you're going to be packing everything together. Path to input, you'll be going to your directory, my computer, local disk, go into temp, extracted. At extracted, just press OK. It'll give you a list of all the stuff. Now, this is also very important to note that you have to give this file a very specific name so that it'll boot properly, because you want this to show up as a certain file name known as, da0a.pck, because this is the one that holds all your files. The game will not work even if you just simply create the PCK file and you just change the file name. It doesn't work that way. So in order to make it show up as da0a, you type in the exact name default other, all lowercase, nothing else to it. And as far as your path to output to give you a PCK file, I know just put on the desktop for now, but that's your choice. You could put it in the folder where you're going to be putting the game together, but it's just how I do my thing. And we're going to make your PCK. And once that's done, we're going to do the same thing with the songs. So we're just going to wait. And now this way, I guess I'll check what the hell my text was about. Oh god. Sigh women. Any day now. I guess at the same time, you can check to see that it's going to show up. As you can see, the PCK file is currently being made, and it's coming up as DA0A. Oh Christ, it didn't take as long this time. There we go. Cool. So there's our DA0 in the desktop folder, as you can see at the top left. And we still got our packer up. So now, from right here, just go right into the extracted. Get rid of these 8 files. Just get rid of them. Doesn't matter where they go, just get the hell out of it. Get them the hell out of Dodge. Now you go one directory up to ctemp, wherever you left the songs folder. You cut it, go in there, into extracted, and paste it in. Open up the packer again and choose the same file path. Just extracted. Now for this one, it doesn't really matter as long as it starts. The file name only has to start with the letter D, and you just do that by typing in default. As far as the other name, just name it songs. Keep things simple. Leave the path to output the same, and make your PCK. And now we're gonna pause it and make it go to part 3.